Hi and good day. My name is Charles, reporting for ChaRLian TV. We are live here in the Auckland cleanup day happening live here in Ikorodu.
The one that I'm saying here, this is how we expected youth to behave.
But what you people did today is awesome. We don't expect it. In fact, we really appreciate you people. We appreciate you very much. No, it's a very good concept.
We really appreciate the support of LAWMA so much, because everybody here today was like, what's going on? LAWMA came to their streets, not knowing we were the one who brought them here.
We'll be interviewing people and the conveners to tell us what and how they have been supportive of this cleanup in Lagos State. In regards to this, LAWMA is also in support of this cleanup day in Ikorodu. Don't go nowhere, as we'll be showing you how the cleanup day come up and how it went and the Auckland day today. My name is Charles, reporting from ChaRLian TV.
It begins with every one of us, you know. This is our environment, this is our town, this is our community. And the most important thing is that we have to get our environment clean. You know, earth is wealth.
The guns are the first, but you should know better. Spending the money, I'm under the trouble, you know I'm heading to the top.
LAWMA ti wá sáájú wọn ti pẹ́ ni.
Talking about Auckland community cleanup happening today, what can you say about it?
Yeah, we organize ourselves just to make the community to know we are a social club, that we help ourselves, we help community. That is why we organize ourselves to do this cleanup in Ikorodu.
Is the Lagos State LAWMA aware of it? And what can you say about
Lagos
the
State LAWMA is aware of it, and they give us approve of it. And some other companies accept us that they support the motion we pass to them, and we appreciate they support us. And I think we can do more and more of it.
This is the end of the year. You guys decide to do this cleanup. What should we be looking up to next year from the Auckland Youth?
You people should be looking up to another better things ahead that we're planning to do. This is just a start. So we plan more than this next year.
Auckland Youth community cleanup. Community cleanup.
Adúpẹ́ ẹ ṣé o, àwọn inú wa dùn pẹ̀lú tẹ́ ń ṣe lénìí, pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run àrídùnnú yóò ní dìbàjẹ́, pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá dé ibi gíga lẹ́mọ̀ lọ, ní dèrò lẹ̀, pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run oríire la ìgbéga lẹ́nu sẹ́yìn, Ọlọ́run ó ṣe fún yín pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run wá dùn o, ẹ ṣé gan-an.
Hold on.
Well, I'm happy and I'm so excited with this. Auckland Youth, they are good to go. Because when they told me about this, when they bring the idea to my table, they brought the idea to my table that they need an idea, and I told them that they should go this way and this and that, and they commence the planning, not even talking of maybe they are going to be, abstain about the preparation, but they commence the planning, and what I'm seeing today, Auckland Youth, they are good to go.
Do you encourage them to do more?
Yes, I encourage them to do more, because the reason is this: they replicate what we Tactical Frigate are doing. So they have started, and I want them to do more of this.
Yeah, talking about LAWMA and being supportive of this, community service. What's your take on that?
This is wonderful. I gave LAWMA 101% for supporting this initiative.
What's your name again, boss?
My name is Radu Olaliko.
Auckland Youth Community Cleanup.
adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan ẹ bá wa tún lù ṣe o ẹ ṣe wàhálà o ẹ jẹ́ kí ìlú mọ́ ọlọ́wọ́ wà pẹ̀lú yín o ẹ ní ṣiṣẹ́ ní ṣìwàwù o.
Auckland Youth putting up this community service. What's your encouragement?
In any gathering, in any association, you need to have something like CSR. You need to get involved. You need to know who you are. Let people in your environment know who you are. You need to engage the community to know who you are.
Talking about knowing who you are, Auckland Youth putting up this massive community, service. Do you see it as a continuity thing or just a one?
Definitely is a continuity thing. We've been doing this is our 21 years, so we've been involved in many things in the past, and at different stage of our settings, we've been involved in CSR. So it is not a new thing.
What can you say about this?
Yeah, that is one of those things that we do. That is one of our community service. It's one of those things that we give back to the society. This is not the first time we'll be having something like this, but it's one of those things that we do, just to make sure the public at large feel our impact.
Now, the massive turnout and the community, being supportive, the residents showing love.
Yeah, like I said the other time, it's not the first time we are doing this, so we are used to all these people. You understand? They know the kind of person we are. Our own group, our own society is not for violence, it's just for what can we do to benefit the environment at large. That is why we are. So whenever we call for something like this, everybody will come out en masse and support it, because that is our agenda, giving back to the society at large. That is what we stand for.
Supportive of this, project, LAWMA, what's your take on that?
Well, like I said, aside from LAWMA, which is one of Lagos State and properties, we have had connections with the educational side. Like the last time we had our educational projects, you understand. So we have connections with all these people. Gradually, we are getting closer to the government to see how we can be able to support them. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Do you see this project once a year or once a month?
Like I said the other time, it's not an easy project. It's not an easy project like everybody knows. But then it will be a yearly stuff, because we have other programs that we do. Yeah, we have other programs that we do aside from this. So it's going to be a yearly stuff.
So your words of advice to the youth, looking up to you and as a mentor and as the chairman.
Yeah, well, it's just only one thing. It's just only one thing to the youth. We are the future of tomorrow. We are the future leaders. Whatever we have to do now, we just have to do it. We apply all our positivity, all our energy in whatever we have to do for making Nigeria and the whole society a better place for every one of us to have peace.
What's your name again, sir?
Yeah, my name is Ikorodu, Chairman Tactical Frigate.
No, it's a very good concept. Because people but what you people did today is awesome. We don't expect it. In fact, we really appreciate you people. We appreciate you very much.
Talking about today's cleanup, what can you say about it?
It's awesome. I don't stay in Ikorodu, but I have to be here because of it. It's very, very awesome. It's very, very awesome. It's indeed something of a great pleasure to be among my brothers, doing something like this to the community.
Seeing LAWMA supporting this community service, what can you say about it?
Kudos to the general manager. He supported us, he gave us his assurance, and you can see this is a brand new boss with us. We thank him, we thank the government, we thank everyone in charge of this. It's a good thing to do, like seriously.
Talking about continuity, Auckland Youth, do you see it?
Yeah, we continue to do more of good things to the community. We continue to do more of this. We're like sensitizing to people. There's more to what the youth can do in the community. Sure you understand? But I'm marveled, like, I don't just know I'm overwhelmed, like seriously.
What's your name again?
I'm Chinedu.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, thank you.
Yeah, we are trying to give back to the community by cleaning up the community. You know, Lagos State is trying to do through their team project, like as part of it, that we want to sensitize the market woman, Ikorodu people to know that if you want to, there are ways to pack your waste so that it will not cause infections to the people around you and you yourself. That's what we are trying to do today.
Talking about the health and hygiene of this Lagos State, how supportive as the lawmen put in place to make today's cleanup a success?
Yeah, you know, I'm not a political person, but you know, this CEO of LAWMA really changed my perspective about politics. You know, when you put a round peg in a round hole, things will work out. When we want to start this project, we sent a mail and a letter to him. Immediately he responded. I don't know what kind of man he is. I don't know him from anywhere, but he responded to our call, and he speed up the process of giving us a compartment truck and every other things that you are seeing here. So he was very supportive. And other staffs in LAWMA, I have to give them kudos. They really tried. My opening statement, I talked about giving back to the community. Most of the youth you are seeing around here, most of them are indigenous of this Ikorodu, and you know, a community that has given back, that have given to us for a long time. We have to give back to that community. No, this is the beginning of our project. This is just the beginning. So I know that we are giving back to the community in so many ways. So they should watch out for our forthcoming projects.
Alhaji Akim Animasha, Babaloji Ejino Market.
Wọ́n ṣe clean up lẹ́ni ilẹ̀ sọ́pàì.
In fact, inú mi dùn, mo wà happy. Even kò bá kọ́ lè máa ṣe ní 3 months ago, màá wà happy because ètò tó dáa ni. Fún ètò ìlú, ó máa jẹ́ kí ìlú mọ́. Ẹlẹ́kejì á tún dènà àrùn. Gbogbo àwọn tó ṣe lágbó Ọlọ́run, ọmọ ò ní kú lédè wọn. Gbogbo tó ti mówó èèyàn náà fún pọ̀rọ̀kù. Tó máa di ọdún tó ń bọ̀ wọ́n á tún ṣe jù báyìí lọ. Àmọ́ ní bínú mi ṣe dùn tó, tó bá lè máa ṣe ní bóyá for a year kó jẹ́ 4 times, màá wà happy. Bọ̀tá ìbálẹ̀ ṣe náà bójú ọdọọdún náà ni, àtúmọ̀dúpẹ́ náà ni. Lágbó Ọlọ́run ìtẹ̀síwájú ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ló jẹ́ gbogbo wa lógún.
All Aucklanders have come out here today to support our community.
Yes.
Because we love our community and our community love us so much.
We are Omoluabi.
We are Omoluabis.
Nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe lé nínú mi dùn gan. Ọlọ́run á kún yín lọ́wọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ o. Lágbára ẹni kú sọ́nà bí èéfín. Ayé ò ní ṣòro yín. Mo ẹ̀ka túbọ̀ bá a múra sí i. Kí ìlú Ìkòròdú kó túbọ̀ dẹ̀rùn fún wa. Nítorí náà, ọ̀run á kún yín lọ́wọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ o. Inú mi dùn sí.
A lot of people, they will have been in the front of their business, which is not good, and customers don't want that. So they have to give those people that they are carrying small trucks to do that.
So the organizers, what's your take?
Seriously, we really appreciate them. May God continue to strengthen them, be with them.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Omobolani. Alagbo, yes, you are right. Omo about to be precise.
What's your name?
I'm Karimat.
AKA?
Omo Haba.
AKA?
Alagbo.
Auckland Youth coming